Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're just finding out my channel for the first time, hi, I'm HDSIGNATURES. So today's tutorial is going to be a soft full glam makeup tutorial, and it's going to be pink eye. I'm going to be doing, I'll make sure it's wearable for everybody. So if you are interested, guys, please keep on watching and I'll see you in my next one. The first step into our soft glam pink makeup tutorial is going to be our skincare. If you have oily skin, regardless the skin type you have, you need to apply a facial oil or any product that gives you that dewy look. You need to apply that so it can make you appear very youthful and very sexy. So guys, I'm going to be going ahead to use a moisturizer, and this moisturizer is from Cetaphil. So I'm going to be using a glow oil on my face, and this product is from Royal Makeup. I'm going to skip this product from my nose area. For my nose area, I'm going to be going ahead to set it with a translucent setting powder, and this powder is from Black Opal. I'm going to be going ahead to use a concealer over my nose, and this concealer is from Black Opal. It's 04 Tan. So if you haven't seen this hack before, please go over to my channel and click on my recent video. You're going to understand why I'm doing this. So after setting that in place, I'm going to go ahead and apply a foundation, and I'm going to be applying Royal Makeup foundation in 05 Cappuccino. I'm going to be adding 03 Tan and 02 Ivory. So 02 Ivory is the lightest of these three shades, and 05 Cappuccino is the darkest of these three shades. So I'm going to be using 05 Cappuccino at the outer part of my face, and towards the inner part of my face I'm going to be using 03 Tan. Then right in the center part of my face I'm going to be using 02 Tan, because 02 Tan is the lightest. That's why I'm using that. I'm using Cappuccino at the outer part of my face so I can use it to cover some amount of my dark spots, and also it's going to bronze up my face. For my contouring, I want to make my contouring as soft as possible. I'm going to be going ahead to use Ruby Kisses No Blemish Liquid Foundation. So I'm going to be mixing these two shades. This shade here is BLF 15 Cognac, and this one is BLF 13 Honey Brown. So I'm going to mix both together. I'm going to go ahead and use a brush, and this brush is from, the name is Ripped Up. To blend out, I'm going to start with the darkest shade. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. I think the contour we added earlier was not really showing well because of the foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Ruby Kisses No More Blemish Liquid Foundation in 15 Cognac. I'm going to use that. So I'm going to be using this brush from Sueva, and this is 109 Face Paint. So I'm going to be applying a cream blush. So guys, I'm back. Let's go ahead into our eyeshadow. The eyeshadow I'm going to be applying is from Morphe eyeshadow palette 35B. I'm going to be cutting my crease, and I'm using this chunk glitters. So I'm going to go ahead and make use of this powder shade. This is a contour palette from Classic USA Makeup, so I'm going to be using this as my transition color. I'm placing this down with this Technique brush. I'm going to extend that to my brow head. I'm placing that towards the upper side of my inner corner of my eyes. I'm using this shade here, this shade, this one, and this one here.
Forget your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard anymore. I go swear for you, baby, while I eat that life. Promise you won't go away. Trips to Paris when we are the things I like. Signs to deliver, baby boy, I'm yours. I go pray for you, baby, with all of my heart. Forever I still
Let's go ahead and apply this. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and fix my eyelashes, and I'm going to be right back, guys.